Good morning class. This is in continuation of unit 1 who were the Vikings. Please keep your finger while I am reading. Boats for trading were wider and had higher sides than long boats. Now we know the meaning of trading. Trading is buying and selling of goods and services. Wider. Please write number 6 here. This is going to be your new word. We have done 5 words. This is the 6th word. Wider. What's the meaning of wider, children? Wider means broad. Boats for trading were wider and had higher sides than long boats. Than long boats. So which long boats they are talking about? On page 6, do you remember that rowing boat which were pointed? The front side and the rear side. The rear side means the back side of the boat. Where they took turns to row 30 at a time. Okay, so here they are talking about this long boat. So they are comparing this boat for trading and the long boat. Long boat and rowing boats is the same boat. So this text is telling us about the two types of boats. One boat which was used for trading, which was wide and which had, wide means the sides had height. And the other boat which they are talking about is the rowing boat or the long boat. Each boat could carry 4 or 5 tons of cargo such as furs and travel thousands of kilometers. Tons is what, children? Tons is a unit of weight. Like how you have kilogram, your mummy buys 1 kg of onions. So tons is a unit of weight. Can you see this word cargo? It is in bold. It is highlighted bold. So when it is in bold, what do? We go to page 6. There is a glossary there. Now read the meaning of cargo. Cargo means goods carried on a ship. And fur is short and fine soft hair of certain animal like fox or rabbit. And travel thousands of kilometers. Now we move to the next paragraph. Vikings travelled far across the seas to trade and settle. The word travel, underline this word and we write there number 7. This is a new word. So they travel to trade means to buy and sell, and settle. Settle means to reach. They reach there and then they lived there. They built their homes and they settled down there. Archaeologists have found the remains of the Viking settlements in Britain, Southern Europe, Iceland, Greenland, and even as far as North America. Archaeologist. Underline this word and write there number 8. Archaeologist, see it is in bold. So come to page 6. And archaeologists are people who dig in the ground to find historical remains. Now these are people who study human history and prehistory through excavation. Excavation means digging. So they dig and whatever is the remains, they study those remains. If you come to page 12, you can see here what the archaeologists have found. These are the things what the archaeologists have found. On page 12 there are 3 pictures. So you can see that. Remains. What is the meaning of remains, children? Remains means the parts left over after other parts have been used or removed or destroyed. So the simple meaning of remains is what is left of something. Think of a sentence that you can use this word remains. You can frame sentence using this word remains. The remains of biscuits were on the table. That means the small crumbs and the small pieces of biscuits. You have opened a packet of biscuit and then the small bit pieces or the crumbs, that is called the remains. And this word, children, archaeologist and CE, you know CE, common era, that is the common era, that is the time period. You remember I had explained time period in history. Both these terms, archaeologist and CE, you will be learning in SST. More about it. Okay. Now come to the word settlements. It is in bold. So what do? We go to page 6. Settlements means places where people make their homes. No one is sure how they managed to travel such great distances, as they had no charts or compasses to guide them. Now, why do you think it is surprising that the Vikings travelled so far across the sea? Yes, you see, because they had no charts or compasses. Now, a chart or compass is used by sailors to navigate. Navigate means to find their way. Charts and compasses help the sailors to reach their location, to locate where they are, in which direction they are, and to move in the right direction. So here these Vikings, they had no charts and compasses. So how did they reach? How did they travel such great distances? Finally, we come to the last paragraph. Some Vikings returned to their homeland, but others settled where they landed, farming and fishing to make a living. So we've seen how the Vikings travelled. So some of them, they returned back to their homeland, and some of them decided to settle wherever they made their settlements, like Britain, Europe, Iceland. So some of them settled here. Their families and their animals often joined them in their new land. Their families means their wife and children later joined them in their new settlement. Now children, we have marked till number 8. Now for number 9, take this word compasses. Underline this word compasses, 9, and families, this will be number 10. So children, would you have liked, how many of you would have liked to be a Viking? Why? Why would you like to be a Viking? And how many of you would not have liked to be a Viking? Okay, so today for your home learning, I want you to write, read this question first. Could you have liked to be a Viking? Why and why not. So you write a few sentences. If you would have liked to be a Viking, you write why you would like to be a Viking. And if you would not have liked to be a Viking, you write why not. And for your home learning, you are going to do word check. Okay? Now word check A, you are going to read the text and pick the correct meaning. After that, children, down you have phrases. Phrases means, phrases are group of words which is highlighted over here on page 6. It's a group of words that express an idea or meaning. So you will write what I have explained. So read the text, find the word check and find the phrases. Now if you find it difficult, please listen to the video again. There are 2 videos, part 1 and part 2. Listen and find the right answer. We will discuss it in the next class. Now children, that's all from my side. So keep learning and thank you.